Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a very different video. I guess it's more arts and crafts and DIY, but this is what I guess you should do, because I live in the UK and it's always rain. It's even raining right now, by the way. It's after Storm Eunice, so it always rains, right? And this is just a affordable knife from Mora, but it's, oh, just get the camera. It's carbon steel, and carbon steels are great, but they rust very quickly, unlike stainless steels. But they're still sharp and stuff. It's just they rust really quick. So I'm just going to do a knife modification on the knife itself. Do some stuff with the sheath to make it more useful in camping situations. Although this is meant to be a construction knife, but whatever. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you leave it a like and stuff. But I'll just, start explaining my processes. So first things first is, for camping and stuff, I like to use a fire steel, which I completely, okay, no, I got, okay, I got. So fire steel is something like this, and it's, I think it's made out of magnesium, and because the spine isn't that sharp and no right angles, it doesn't make any sparks. But if you had something sharp, I'm just going to use another knife, just so I have, so you have something sharper, and you got the steel. Nope. There. So this is very useful for camping. Oh shit. There you go. So yeah. That's what I always use. Something like that. Just well, whoops. But yeah, so I'm gonna first, on this carbon steel knife, this other one, I am going to file it down carefully. I don't have a vise, so it might take a while, maybe 15 minutes, just to make this spine nice and flat, so I can make a spark with a steel. So I'm going to do that, and I'll get back to you when I'm done with that. I don't need to show you all of it. I'm just literally taking off material slowly. That's it. Alright, be right back. Okay. Oop. I am back. Around 15 minutes. Maybe I'll touch up a bit more. But so far, it's starting to get a nice edge. So, just try. See, get the steel. Oh, spark a bit. We got sparks. Try with this one. This fire steel is a bit harder. But now we can still get sparks. So now I can get my sparks from my knife. So the next part is, we're gonna, because this carbon steel is gonna rust in the rain. Like, it's really common, like, because, not many people handle knives, and they wouldn't know if it's carbon steel unless they, like, read it. And then they wash their knife and then leave it in the dishwasher or tray or whatever, and the next day it's all rusty. So we're gonna try to prevent, accidents like that and clumsiness, and just add a bit of resisting coating on the blade, and I'll show you how to do that. So I'll be right back. Okay, hi everyone. The next part is, we're gonna put a resisting coating on. So rust is basically oxidation, but we're gonna pre-oxidate it, the surface layer of the metal, because if it oxidizes once, it can't oxidize again. So I'm gonna boil off some apple cider vinegar and then, put it in a jar, heat it up, put my knife in, and this will start a chemical reaction. I record it, it will just make bubbles. It will just make lots of bubbles. And we're just gonna wait 10 minutes, I guess, and then reheat the vinegar, and do that maybe 3 times, 4 times. I'll let you know how many times I do it. And you will see, it will lose all its shininess, and it will come a dark finish, and it will look really nice still. But we'll make a dark finish on it. So let's just do that. I'll be right back. Alright, boiled hot vinegar. Knife is gonna go in. Hopefully it gets the entire edge. Yes. And it should slowly react. So I'm gonna wait 10 minutes. Maybe I should have boiled it hotter. But you can do this multiple times. You don't have to do it one coating. But yeah, it's starting to bubble slightly. You can see, there we go. There we go. You see the bubbles are starting reacting. Maybe I should have heated up the liquid more, but I just reheat it again after 10 minutes. But yeah, there's the bubbles reacting. So right now it's making an it's oxidating. I'm gonna make a matte, little gray layer. And I'll show you afterwards what it looks like. So yeah, look at that reaction. I'm making sure if the blade hilt is being affected. Well, let me just put more vinegar, like just a few drops, just to make sure the base of the knife is in. Alright, I'll show you what it looks like after one coating. Okay guys, I've left it for 12 minutes and it's still reacting. I have 1 more minute left to go, but it's still reacting. Just precaution, I would not use this apple cider vinegar again for any other purposes. Do not drink it. It smells like iron. And by the way, this whole kitchen now smells like, I can feel the apple cider vinegar. But yeah, no. Oh, there we go. So let's just take this out. I'm gonna rinse in water, but oh, that fucked up. But look at that color now. It's gone grey. It's gone grey. So let me just wash this with water and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So after one coating, you see it's got this now grey color, and that's the oxidized layer. Look at that. Look at that. It isn't perfect, but you know, reactions, it's just, you can't really control it. But yeah, so I'm gonna do this maybe 2 more times, just to give, because you can brush this off, right? It's just only the surface. So I'm trying to make it go a bit deeper. So I'm just gonna do that 2 more times, the same exact thing. So yeah, I'll show you after 2 more dips in boiling apple cider vinegar. Okay, dunk number 2. It's really hard to do this well. Alright, after the second dip in boiling apple cider vinegar, it does look really pretty. I'm just going to do it 1 more time. And don't forget, this actually has purpose. It's not just about the looks. This now layer is going to be rust resistant because it's already oxidized. And then I'm just going to sharpen up the edge and then mod the sheath just to have some attachments on it. But yeah, I love that finish. Dunk number 3. Okay, 3rd coating done, and let's have a look. Oh no, oven's cooking. So I just dried it off a bit. And now we've got a little matte black finish. I don't know, it's grey, isn't it? It's grey. Grey finish all around, which provides a protective coating for the knife. Because normally when you use carbon steel knife, you need to oil it after every use. It's kind of annoying. Saying that, I will put a bit of oil on this actually. just the last layer, so. Okay. It's in a what is this? Lighter fluid can, but it is oil. It is oil. Let me just put oil on this knife. That's for a bit. So yeah, you're meant to always oil your carbon steel knife. I don't know what this will do. Would it react? Just put a bit. You only need a tiny bit. Okay, there. Just put that coating on. Protect it. Watch out for the sharp edge for obvious reasons. No need to mention why. It's a knife. But yeah, just, you know, be careful. You are playing with a knife. But, you know, it's not going to be too bad. You're not going to, like, stab yourself. It's not like D&D and you roll a fail 1 dice and then you accidentally stab yourself in the eye or something. Just the edges, yeah. Really hard to get the edge inside bit. But, yeah. Okay, put this over here ready. Ooh, ow. Okay, I'm okay. Oh god, that was close. Okay. But yeah, just put that oil on. Maybe I put a bit too much oil, but yeah, just put that oil on. And that really cleans up the blade. That makes it look really nice. Oh my god, look at that. It's a bit too much oil. But look at that. That's a little sheen to it. Yeah, really nice. I'm just gonna let that evaporate off or something. But yeah, nice little finish. And now I'm just gonna have lunch and then I'll show you what I'm gonna do with the sheath. So I'll just show you what I got. I got a power cord and I cutted it about maybe 2.5 meters long. And I'm going to wrap it around the knife sheath. I made a... Oh shit, whoops. Here's the fire steel I'm going to use. I made a little cylinder out of basically card, like legit any random card, just, you know, so cylinder, and then wrap it around with duct tape, and then we're going to attach it to the sheath. To be fair, this is quite loose fitting. Yeah, so I'm going to put maybe a bit more card in. Loose fitting, wrap it around, and then we're going to have a fire steel, some power cords on hand. And you can also add other stuff like behind the power cord you can add water purification pills, little fishing hooks, stuff like that. But I'm very simple, to be fair, so I'm just going to do those two things. So yeah. Alright, I'll show you that. I'll show you the process after I have lunch. So yeah, be right back. I just wanted to show you guys just the difference. So this is actually carbon steel as well. It's the same company, so I'm assuming it's the same exact steel. But I didn't do the finish because, you know, I don't want to do it on my chisels. But you can see just the difference now. Oh wow, this one has the spine not sharp. You see? Bang. So yeah, you don't have to do this, of course. If you have a stainless steel knife, you don't need to do it. And Mora does have a stainless steel knife, but the handle's blue. That's all. It's different. Stainless steel, same length, same dimensions, but it's nice dark blue, and that's just lovely. But I just wanted to color red. That's the reason. I just like a red knife. That's all. But yeah, you can just see the difference and what the apple cider vinegar did to the carbon steel, and what I've done to the knife itself. So yeah. Oh, so beautiful, isn't it? Oh, it's lovely. Okay, I am back. Okay, so knife, the last bit, what I'm gonna do for this video is got power cord, about 2.5 meters, and I got some duct tape. If you can use any tape you have, and just think about this. Yes. So I'm gonna put the ferrule with the card. It's got much more friction now. Here. So I'm gonna wrap the tape around here, midway. If possible, yeah, I'm gonna wrap the tape around here. So let me just get some tape. Oh. God damn it! Open. Okay, cool. Get some tape. Put the knife out. Okay. So try and not fuck this up. Oh God, it's really hard. It's really hard, man. I don't have this many hands. But yeah, put it there. Put that there. And then put the thing here. Gonna wrap it around. And of course you could put whatever extra bit hidden behind the power cord, which I'm gonna wrap around the handle. Like fishing hooks. Water purification pills, that's a very popular one. Trying to think of other stuff. Some tinder, like little fat wood shavings, that would be quite smart. But I'm just keeping it simple for video sake. I'm recording, right? Yes. Let's put that there. There we go. Nice. And oh shit, tight. You don't have to be neat. It's going to be hidden by power cord anyway, so that has to be too neat. Maybe I did a bit too much, but it's okay. Okay, come on, knife, do your job. Right, there you go. But yeah, maybe a bit much. Actually, no, it's okay. Perfect. The rest of it's there. Okay. Don't worry, the rope will also reinforce it. The thing is, I always struggle. So let me show you what I'm going to do. So I've got an example here. This is what I'm going to do. This type of knot, which is not a knot, it's just this type of weave. It's not that hard, but I guess it does slide down a bit. So you might want to put duct tape at the end as well. But I'm just going to do this pattern with this red, because I like the matching color, red and red. That's the reason. So yeah. So take your rope, make sure you're 50-50, you know, exactly 50-50 in half. And this bit, to be fair, I'm not that very delicate, so please bear with. Gonna put it at the hilt. Oh, fuck. Okay. Put it at the hilt. Run this through the loop. And make sure it's tight as you can. There. So I might need to put something to stop it from sliding up and down, so I'm going to leave that there. Put a bit of tape, just a tiny bit. Just stop it from going up and down and stuff. You never know, if you do it tight enough, I'm pretty sure it'll just stay, but just put a tiny bit. And do the other side as well a bit. Oh, this is such a lovely little DIY project. And these makes great gifts. More knives are great gifts, by the way. They're so inexpensive, so resilient, affordable, and useful. And they come sharp. Of course, I'm probably going to touch it up with a little leather strop at the end. But right now, I'm just making the sheath. So just do that tight as you can. Okay. Tight as I can, then go back on yourself, leave a bit of a hole, and run it back through itself. So, as you can see, oh god, I'm really undelicate. I do origami as well, but I'm not that good. But yeah, okay, there we go. Pull that all the way through. Nice, make sure that's tight. And then go back on itself again. So then you go in the other direction and you just keep that zigzag going. And hopefully it'll all look pretty by the end of it. Let's put this other way around. Because this just looks so pretty, doesn't it? I love the red and red pattern. Like, I'm glad I went for a theme for this video. There we go. I am doing this wrong. No, that's it wrong. Oh yeah, okay, you go this in direction. Then you go in the opposite direction. Yep. And then the other way. So this. Go through on itself. Okay everyone, here's the finished product. It's a Mora knife. And has the power cord. Has the fire steel. And here's the knife. So let's just take a look at that. Very nice. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is probably a rare type of video I'm doing, but you know, it's just something I wanted to do and show. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If so, leave a like and see you next time. Bye.